Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to join our learning journey. Capital of Portugal. Lisbon is the capital and largest city of Portugal, located on the Atlantic coast. Belém Tower. The Belém Tower is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, originally built in the 16th century as part of the defense system of the Tagus River. Jerónimos Monastery. The Jerónimos Monastery is another UNESCO site showcasing Manueline architecture and associated with the Age of Discovery. Tram 28. Tram 28 is a famous yellow tram in Lisbon, offering scenic routes through the city's historic neighborhoods like Alfama and Baixa. Alfama District. The Alfama District is Lisbon's oldest neighborhood, known for its narrow streets, traditional Fado music, and Moorish influences. São Jorge Castle. The São Jorge Castle sits atop one of Lisbon's hills, offering panoramic views of the city and the Tagus River. Lisbon earthquake. Lisbon was nearly destroyed by the massive earthquake of 1755, which was followed by a tsunami and fires reshaping the city. Padrão dos Descobrimentos. The Padrão dos Descobrimentos is a monument in Belém celebrating Portugal's explorers and the Age of Discovery. Fado music. Fado is a traditional genre of Portuguese music that originated in Lisbon, known for its soulful and melancholic tunes. Lisbon's Seven Hills. Lisbon is known as the City of Seven Hills, with breathtaking viewpoints, or miradouros, scattered across the city. Elevador de Santa Justa. The Santa Justa lift is a vertical elevator in Lisbon's downtown, offering panoramic views and connecting the lower streets to the higher ones. Lisbon Cathedral. The Lisbon Cathedral, or Sé de Lisboa, is the oldest church in the city, dating back to the 12th century. LX Factory. LX Factory is a creative and cultural hub in a former industrial complex, filled with trendy restaurants, shops, and art galleries. Baixa District. The Baixa District is the heart of downtown Lisbon, known for its grid-like streets, elegant squares, and neoclassical architecture. Rocio Square. Rocio Square is one of Lisbon's main squares, featuring beautiful cobblestone patterns and vibrant street life. Pena Palace. Just outside Lisbon in Sintra, the colorful Pena Palace is a popular day trip destination, blending Gothic, Renaissance, and Moorish architectural styles. Lisbon Oceanarium. The Lisbon Oceanarium is one of the largest aquariums in the world, housing a vast range of marine life. Vasco da Gama Bridge. The Vasco da Gama Bridge is Europe's longest bridge, spanning 12.3 kilometers, 7.6 miles, across the Tagus River. Ginginha. Ginginha is a traditional Lisbon liqueur made from sour cherries, often served in small shot glasses. Docas de Santo Amaro. The Docas are a lively waterfront area in Lisbon, known for its restaurants, bars, and stunning views of the 25 de Abril Bridge. I hope you've learned a lot. Subscribe for more. Have a nice day.